do you charge an Apple AirTag? Apple AirTags are handy devices for keeping track of your belongings. But like any electronic device, they require occasional maintenance. One common question among AirTag users is how to recharge their devices. Unlike some electronic services, AirTags do not have a rechargeable battery. Instead, they use a standard CR2032 coin cell battery, which needs to be replaced periodically. Understanding when and how to change this battery is essential for keeping your AirTag functional. Typically, an AirTag battery lasts about a year under normal usage. You'll receive a notification on your paired iPhone when the battery is running low, giving you ample time to prepare for a replacement. It's crucial to replace the battery promptly to ensure your AirTag continues to function effectively and keep your items safe. Follow these steps to replace the battery in an Apple AirTag. Ensure you have a new CR2032 coin cell battery ready. These batteries are widely available at electronic stores or online retailers. Find a clean, flat surface to work on to prevent losing small parts during the process. Hold the AirTag with the white side down. Press down the stainless steel back and rotate it counterclockwise until the cover stops turning. Carefully lift the back cover and set it aside. Remove the old CR2032 battery from the AirTag. Place the new battery to the AirTag with the positive side facing up. Ensure the battery is properly seated by checking if it fits snugly in the compartment. Align the 3 tabs on the back cover with the corresponding slots on the AirTag. Press down on the cover and rotate it clockwise until it stops turning and is securely fastened. Hold the AirTag close to your iPhone and listen for a chime indicating the new battery is working correctly. Check the Find My app to ensure the AirTag is recognized and functioning. By following these steps, you can easily replace the battery in your Apple AirTag and continue to keep track of your valuable items without interruption. Regular maintenance will ensure your AirTag remains reliable and efficient. So how long do Apple AirTag batteries last? Based on typical usage, including regular tracking and sound activation to locate them, Apple AirTags are designed to last approximately 1 year on a single CR2032 coin cell battery.